Select the switch icon. By holding click, drag it to the place you want to place it. Select the style icon. By selecting the Dimensions Options property, you can enable and disable both the height and width of the percentage of the dimensions of the selected component. By selecting the Appearance property, you can customize the color of the track, the bar, a color used when it is enabled, and another color for when it is disabled. By selecting the Appearance property, you can customize the color of the thumb, the circle, a color used when it is enabled, and another color for when it is disabled. Select the Data icon. When you click Disable Switch, you disable the switch options. It means that the switch will now behave like a checkbox. When you click Enable Checkbox, you switch from checkbox to switch again and add a new function called Default Value. By clicking the Enable Dynamic Loading property, you enable the option to give the appearance of loaded while assigning the final value to the element. When the switch is turned on, when the switch is disabled, it loses that appearance, leaving the component in question in its original form. When you click the Control is Hidden property, the selected control hides but does not remove it from the interface, meaning that the control still exists on the components that make up the interface but is not visible. Select the Functions icon. Add an event. You can add the OnValue change event, which is triggered when the contents of the control change value regardless of what type of value it is, as it can be by text, numeric, alphanumeric, or Boolean. Thank you for watching this video.